I went to Dior and did a little bit of shopping. I got some lovely clothing pieces that I want to show you, and I thought I'd do a try on haul and show you that way. So if you want to see all the beautiful items that I bought, definitely stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to my channel, Simply Fabulux, where I like to talk about luxury goods, items, a little bit of lifestyle, and try to sprinkle in a bit of tips or advice that I've learned to share with you. Okay, so before we get into today's video, it's gonna be a very short one. I just wanna do like a try on haul. So before I get into that, come on guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe, hit that like button. It's gonna be a nice, short, sweet try on haul video, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you can stay notified when I drop a video, because I drop a video every week. Okay, now let's get into this try on. All right, so for the first piece of item that I'm gonna try on, and I did like a little sneak peek, so you probably already saw this, but in case you didn't see it, it's this beautiful jacket. I think it's in like taffeta, but it's like a nice light material that you can still wear kind of in the summer or springtime. It's all white, of course, and it has like that boxy shape. But yeah, I just thought this would be great. I have this indoor outing or indoor event that I want to go to, and I thought if I needed to bring something, because it's always chilly when it's inside. Like, although it doesn't cover my arms, like it just kind of covers, you know, the chest. I can zip it up, you know, my shoulders. So I thought this would be a great piece. Plus, I really like it. Definitely would wear it more if I'm gonna be indoors. Definitely wouldn't wear this when I'm outside because it's just too hot for that. But yeah, let me try this on. Now, it does have these snaps in the back, so you can, like, I guess, adjust it if you want. So on both sides, I won't be adjusting it. I kind of like it the way it is. Just cinches it in a little bit. It doesn't really do a lot to make a difference, so that's why. Because I did try it before, so I'm just gonna leave it as is. All right, let me try on this jacket. All right, so here's the jacket. Again, it is a bit oversized. That's the cut of the style. It's like a boxy, oversized type of jacket. I actually did have to go down, I wanna say 2 sizes, just because of how large it was. But yeah, it fits, it's great. And you know, definitely something that I would rock and wear. I haven't really decided exactly how I would wear it. I mean, I know I probably could wear it with some jeans like I have on right now. But if I just want to like maybe zhuzh it up, I could do that too. Nope. All right, so I said it has a zipper, and then it also has pockets that are right here. It has a zipper for the pockets too. So I love, you know, an item with pockets. So I do like this. I do have my pockets. Comes to my elbows. It's just short sleeved jacket in all white. So if you're like hesitant about wearing all white, it probably isn't the jacket for you, especially if you have like all makeup like I do. I'm always like hesitant not to get makeup like on my car or on my outfit. So I do have to be careful with this. It's very light, it's roomy, gives you that box feel, cut. I love it. I love this jacket, and I just had to add it to my collection when I saw it. Okay, so the next outfit I have on, or pieces that I have on this new vest that they have as part of their like summer Dior Riviera or Dior Rivera. I don't ever know how to pronounce that correctly, so forgive me on that. But it's part of that collection. It has that print that they usually have when they do this collection. So I have it in this darker blue and this matching skirt. So I thought the skirt, they always like usually have it on deck. Sometimes it comes around during the season. But I feel like I've seen this almost all year round, like from last year and then this year, especially in this color, in this print. And then I have this tank, just a regular tank, has a cute little Dior B and CD on there. I'll get a little closer so you can see it. But yeah, I love this vest. It's like a hooded vest, so it has like a hoodie on it. It's very lightweight. Now this does run big. I actually went down 2 sizes for this, but because I'm a girl that has curves, okay, I have a little butt, or I have some thighs, and I actually went up 2 sizes. So I went down 2 sizes for this because it's oversized, it's boxy, and then I went up 2 sizes for this. I went up to like they're 42, so it is a little roomy, but I feel more comfortable because even when I went up in size, it gave me more like just a little bit of more length. All right, and again, this is a skirt, so it does have like this like peekaboo on the side where you can see the shorts, but it doesn't close. And like, look, I have a butt, but I do. But yeah, I love it. I love that it has pockets, that they both have pockets. The pockets are like zippered. And then the tank, so again, it's just a white plain tank. And then I got this, I don't know if you can see that, this choker as well, a pearl choker. And I've never really been big into pearls. I'll wear pearls, I guess more for like dressier occasions. But when I saw this, I was like, okay, I guess I could, you know, style it with like this, something more casual, more relaxed. I didn't really have that in mind until like my essay showed it to me, and I was like, let me try it on. And I'm like, oh, okay. I always think of like, you know, pearls to wear for like fancy occasions. So anyways, I like the choker. Again, it's just white pearls, the little gold CD, and then I don't know if you can see that, that's like the bead that's there on the tank. And it's just like a, you know, sleeveless tank that you can wear underneath. You can definitely wear this with, you know, something with sleeves if you wanted to. And then again, this is the skirt. Now I love a skirt. Like a skirt, it's cool, especially when it's short. It's like, ugh, you know, but when you have a skirt that has the shorts in it, so when it's short and you bend over, like you're not like flashing everybody. Like you're, I don't know, I just feel a little bit more secure when I wear a skirt. So I really love this. I love how it kind of, you know, pairs well together, but you can also wear it separately. I could wear this just without the vest, and it can just be this tank and the skirt, or I could wear this vest with some jeans. Because I could wear something that's no sleeves, short sleeves, long sleeves, so you kind of make it more versatile throughout the year. But yeah, this is it. That is the other outfit. So let's try on more of the Dior items that I got. So here is my next pieces that I got. You know, I feel like you can style these a lot of ways, but I just wanted to put on something like a top and a bottom. So not necessarily I would wear this with this unless like I had a cute little blazer on it. Like this would be great if I had like a blazer and then this skirt and this top. That I would do, you know, pop the collar, open up another button, add some more like jewelry in there. I definitely do that. Get some like gold accented jewelry to make everything just really pop and glisten. But that's what I would do. But I just want to show you this top. Again, it's just like a short sleeve button up top. The reason why I love this top because it has details on the back of the buttons here. So it's like a little pearl accent detail, and I love that. So I think I can show it to you closer. It's, I can't see. I don't know if you can see. I think it's like right there. I'll try to zoom in. But yeah, it has like a pearl detail that I love, and I love how it kind of like billows out a little bit. But yeah, that is, yeah, I don't know if I can show it to you. I just show you one, but there's like another pearl on the back too right there. But yeah, I loved this top. Just, I think the sleeves did it for me, and then like the little button detail, I really love that. So that's why I was like, oh, this is a top that I have to add to my collection of just clothing that I could wear. Again, if I'm going to work, you know, put it on with some nice slacks. Again, you could throw a blazer over this. You could wear it with a skirt. You could wear it with pants. If you want to just wear this and like with some denim jeans, that would be great. But yeah, I love that. And then this is a skirt. It was on my wish list that I've been wanting for ever, I promise you. And then I never really had it in my size, but finally got one that fits. So I'm really happy. And again, this is actually a skirt. I think I said skirt. I meant to say skirt. So it's actually like shorts. You see the shorts in the back? And then it just has like this flap in the front, so it gets like a skirt vibe. But again, you don't want to be able to flash anyone, especially if you have to like bend down and get something. You don't be like, oh, you know, none of that. So I love it. And I love like the gold detail that it has right here. That's why I like it so much. So it's like a nice leather skirt with this gold accent detail. Let me get closer so you can see that. I love that. I love it, I love it, I love it. They all have so many beautiful skirts at Dior, but there's not one that's like this. I can get a black leather skirt almost anywhere, but I feel like this what makes it like definitely unique, stands out. But yeah, and again, it's shorts, so I don't know if you can see that. They are shorts, and it just has this panel in front, and it gives it like that nice skirt vibe. But yeah, I love this. And I have some boots. Let me put the boots on. Yeah, let me get those boots and show it to you together. I'll do my best. Hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna do like a close-up of the boots before I try them on. So here are the boots. They're like ankle boots. And what I really love about these boots is the pearl detail on it. I think that's really cute. And I believe it has like the little CD logo on there. Let's see if that can focus on it. But I just like the pearl detail. Not so much the CD on it, but just the pearl detail. I think it just gives it a little, I don't know, like it's Judge or Charisma, you know? Like I like that. So, and then it's like a zip-on boot. So you don't have to worry about, I mean, you wanna like undo the laces when you first get them, just make sure it's not too tight, not too snug, but so you can adjust it that way. And like this does, it opens up so it allows you to get to the shoelaces. And then this is at the bottom. And I believe I got these, I think I got these in a size 40. I did go up a size. I'm normally like a 39 and a half, but for boots at Dior, at least for me, I found I needed like a 40, sometimes 40 and a half or 41, just depends, because I'm wearing thicker socks when I wear these. And then sometimes I also like to put in a little insole just because boots can kind of be uncomfortable. These were very comfortable, but I still put in my sole inserts just to give it more cushion, give my foot more support, because I do have like flat feet. Not cool, but that's what I have. And when I want to stand or wear shoes for a longer period of time, those little inserts in my shoes like do wonders. So let me try them on so you can see what they look like. I'm gonna have it on with the skirt because it's something I will actually wear with the skirt that I have on now. But yeah, let me try it on so you can see. So I have on the boots. I got my little step stool here. Just because I had to like adjust the camera a lot, kind of like bring it down, bring it up, and I already feel like I'm not always in frame when I'm talking about the items I'm trying on. Yes, so here are the boots on with the skirt or skirt. I would definitely wear these boots with the skirt. Yeah, here are the boots. Let me move back more. Hopefully you can see the bottom of my the skirt and like the boots. Try to like elevate myself a little bit just so you can really see what these boots look like with this skirt. I showed it to you up close with like the pearl details on the side. All right, so let's try on the next set of clothes. Okay, so for the last few items, one of them I have on already to show you, but the other one, the neck hole is actually kind of tight because I have this tailored, and I don't want to get makeup on the neck hole. Like I usually would get dressed first and then put on my makeup, but yeah, because it's all white. So it's this men's shirt, and I just had it like tailored, just gonna be more cinched in on the sides, you know, just to be more flattering to a woman's figure. And then I think they shortened the sleeves a little bit. I got it like tailored in-house at Dior, and the tailor there was just phenomenal. From the men's side, I think it's like one of their essential pieces, but I liked the white. But again, I like white. Just have to be careful keeping it clean. This is the piece. I'm not sure if you can see, it has like Dior oblique all over it. Let me get a little bit closer. Yeah, so it's like all over this shirt. And it's like more of like a terry cotton type of cloth, I want to say. That's what it feels like. I want to see if this says on the tag what type of material it is. It doesn't. Probably like on the inner tag, but yeah, so that's one piece. So I got jeans from the men's department. I got this shirt from the men's department and asked them to like crop the shirt so it can be like a little cute crop top. Shows just a little bit of skin, but not a lot of skin. And then I got these jeans that I like fell in love with last year, and it didn't even dawn on me until I was like talking to my SA, like, yeah, we can have it, you know, tailored for you. Cause that was like the only thing I was like, oh, I gotta get it tailored. Just trying to find a good tailor. It takes a while. I'm like, no, we have an in-house tailor. That's good if you want to like get these jeans. So I was just like, of course, I want these jeans. I just need them to fit. I'll just show you so you can see the whole look. Okay, so this is the top. Again, like a little crop top, so it can show like a little bit of skin. I have on these boxers, so it doesn't really show that much skin. Maybe like a little sliver, but yeah, you can wear it, you know, again, without the boxers. I just thought it would be cute with these little boxers kind of hanging out. And then I have the jeans that are here. I made sure to ask to have this tailored to really fit my waist. And then I wanted to keep the length because I'm already a tall person. I'm already 5'9", and then I plan on wearing this with like some platform shoes, maybe some heels, I don't know, but I wanted to keep the length just because I like it. I like that long-legged look. Even though it's longer than my legs a little bit, I just really love it. So I'm gonna check on this little step stool so you can kind of see the whole full effect. But I like just this top paired with these pants. We meaning me and my SA, was like, this will be the perfect top to kind of go with this. And yeah, these pants are long, and I love that. I love a long pair of jeans, especially for someone who's tall. It's always hard to find jeans that are long enough. It has this like more wide leg type of feel. I love that. Yeah, I like these pants. I really do like them, and I like it paired with the shirt. Again, yeah, here are the pants. Hopefully you can see like a better, you can't see my feet per se, but you can still see like how long these are, and like reflective and silver. So I think they did a good job. Like, I feel like the tailor at Dior, at least the tailor at the Dior that I shop at my local boutique, she's amazing. I bought a few things to her, even things that I've like kind of already bought before and they just didn't fit me well. She was able to like really cinch it in or just make it look more flattering. So I love that. That's like the back. Has back pockets. Has front pockets, of course. And then the top. The little crop top. Just more like a boxy cut box top shirt. So I have a few of these. So I have like one or two of these. But yeah, I love this. I love this. Let me know down in the comments which one of these outfits did you like, maybe not like. Love to hear your opinion. Is there another item that's like on your list or an item that you already own that I've showcased, or maybe you want to put on your list and buy for later? Let me know down in the comments, and I'll also put all the details of the items down below. So if it's still in stock and you want to purchase the items, I'll definitely put it down in the description box with like the name and a link to Dior's site so you can purchase it from there. But yeah, this is everything that I have for today. Again, thank you for just bearing with me to do these try on hauls. It's like my second try on haul, and I'm always like nervous about not getting like cut off in the frame and kind of being able to like still show the outfit that I'm wearing, but like not be too far back, but not be too close. It's a challenge. That's all I could say. But yeah, thank you for bearing with me through this and watch me as I try on these beautiful clothes. If you like this type of video, let me know too. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and then hit the notification bell. I want to say thank you for supporting me, supporting this channel, and I cannot wait to see you in my next video. Bye.